Common sense. I gave an example. You're driving the car on the highway. Other cars are there. Do you get upset? If you get upset, that is what I'm saying. It is a me world. Mind returns to the me world with instinct and impulses. Then what you do? You are aware of those thoughts and you replace it with Shantoham. That is what you are doing. And now again, do nothing, remain as you are. Now you see the state of your mind. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the hands, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside, know your experiences, and then bring the hands down. So, how are you, John?
Okay, I'm good. I like the ideal of
Hearing you? Yes.
I like the idea of doing nothing. I need more of that in my life.
You need more of that. But it is within you.
Right.
You
Yes.
already own it. That is the message. It should hit your mind that is going in another direction. How are you meet?
Letting go of old ways of thinking.
Good. Old ways of thinking. Did I understand it correctly? Yes, and how about you, Sophie?
Sophie. Sophie. Mm, mm, mm.
Anyhow, in the meantime, you correct it. And what is happening?
Yeah. No, I feel fine. I'm quiet, but I felt that I was not completely conscious. I think half of the time I somehow fell asleep. I don't know why, but
Yeah,
I feel quiet and peaceful now.
yeah, you feel quiet and peaceful now. Very good. Is there any way we can talk to Sophie? There is no way.
Mhm.
So it's okay. That is that is what happens in our life. Think of these steps, practice it again and again, and see what happens. And then we will meet next next